Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna do this test, the lemon baking soda headlight test. I'm tired of seeing all these videos on online, social media, TikTok. They take this lemon and they start wiping the headlights, and they always just show the process. Of course, as you put it on, it's wet, it's liquid, it's gonna make it see-through, but I haven't seen when it dries up or next day or next week, next month. So I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work, but I'm here to test it out and show you guys if it's BS or not. Because even if you put just water on the headlight, it's gonna look see-through, more clear. Tire shine, anything grease. So, but I wanna see next day, next morning when it's dry, how it looks. Let's go. So as you can see, it looks really good right now. I washed it with water, wiped it off with dry rag. Looks pretty good. It doesn't look brand new. It's still, I can still see plastic, hazy a little bit, but it looks much better. I would say 50-70% better. So we're gonna check tomorrow or in a week, as long as I have this car before it sells, and see if it stays good or turns back to yellow. So definitely looks good now. Looks really cool. Let's see when it dries all the way. We'll check tomorrow and in a few days, as long as I have it before this car sells. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes and you can see they're going back hazy. Not as bad as before, I think, but a lot hazier than it was 10 minutes ago. When they're wet, they're more see-through, but the dryness makes all these cracks, all the little stuff come out. So let's check tomorrow, see how it looks, and go from there. So this is how it looks like 24 hours later. Still showing a little yellowness, especially this one. Not as good as I was hoping. So we'll check in a week and see how it looks. Hey guys, so here's the headlights after 2.5 weeks. I think it's a little better than it used to be, but still not clear see-through like you could sand it and get it to. So I'd say about 50% better. Let's see if I have it in 2 more weeks and we'll give you an update.